NASDAQ. Before you get the best dope on the markets, what are we going to talk about? Trading's risky here. This cattle feels like it's going to go limit down. Today is Friday, 10/10. All right, 10/10. And here, you know what? Yesterday could have been the high. I was looking at an analog from 2014, and this thing is just slipping today. This was the 830 bar today. This is a 3-minute chart. Okay, so we actually got higher on the day. Fucking A, that was the trade right there. 75.07, yesterday's high here. Let's just take a little peek at it. Okay. Here, let's go. See the sevens? Those are live conditions here. This is what we did, okay? So what do we got? 352 up to 72. Wow, there's a, you know what? That's a $20 rally. And actually here, what was it? Yeah, from 52. Okay, so listen, this is the herd of high frequency traders. 7 down, 7 up, 7 up, 7 down, 7 up, and a diamond. Little consolidation. We're still bulletproof, and then 7 up as of Thursday. Okay, this is actually really splitting hairs. Yeah, this whole you know what? Listen, if you're asking me, and now listen, risk has changed. You know, risk has changed. And here, if you are trading here, okay, so let's put up a 12-minute here. I got a couple lines here. This was, if you learn how to draw the right lines, okay, actually we're going to go to the 3-minute on here, okay? So this was just a speed line, and actually, listen, I didn't have it, but I was just like, okay. You know, because listen, this is today, okay? This is today. What are we doing? What's the pattern here? What is this high here? 74.45. What was this high? 74.50. Woo! Sell 100 at 45. You're unable. You got 3 only. God darn. Anyway, okay, so this is cattle. You know, listen, if you're looking, this was the week in an old time that's called an analog, a previous roadmap where this thing, and what we do is we go lower. So, okay, what do I do going forward here? Okay, so in about 5 or 6 days, we're going to retest over here. Okay, we're not going to make a new high. That would be the belief. Okay, so pick out some of these levels. And what we did yesterday also is we had to drag the front months up, okay? So here, look at this, 42%. This is gold, 47%. We just went down to plus 44% on the year. Here, hogs. Looking to buy hogs, sell cattle? What's this, an 8-figure? What's your multiple tables of 8? Some of you Gen Zers and Xers or something like that, you probably didn't even learn them. But 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Okay, 8. 8 times 3. 8, 16, 24. 240. Okay. So we got cattle about 3 times the price of hogs. That's only because I had ribs last night. Wow. I'm looking at a picture on War Room Pandemic. Tens of thousands of Palestinians marching north into Gaza. Okay? This is to the guy that did not get the peace prize. They gave the peace prize to a female. Okay? Females are ruling the world now. Okay? Don't be in denial. And she did something on Maduro. Okay? In Brazil. I believe it's Brazil. And I think it's Maduro. But he still got Bolsonaro imprisoned. Okay? She got the peace prize. The guy that just solved the 8th World War here. Okay? There was 8 wars in this world. That's not a world war. Okay? He didn't get it. He gets snubbed. Just like all these people now that Letish, that indicted Trump for 100 square feet, overstating something by 100 square feet in a skyscraper. And that was mortgage, or that was fraud. And all those convictions were overturned, by the way, on appeal. And she goes and actually buys a second residence the days before she charged Trump with this, when she said nobody's above the law. Anyway, so she's getting a Democrat Biden-appointed judge. Okay, so there's no fairness. All right, here we come here. We got a little bit of a bounce here. Okay, 12-minute here. We got a little pattern here. Okay, here's a trend line here. So here's a trend line. Okay, and then we blow over it. Okay, this is a speed line going up. That means a steeper trend line. I think we're already on our time limit. So we can't close lower on the week here because we got limits. But stay tuned here. If you're looking to, if you think the cattle is at a nosebleed level, we have fulfilled a lot of characteristics. I know, picking tops, that's one of the rules. Here's the rule. Never believe you can find the top or bottom in the market. Okay, so it's, what is it, 9:23. We finished our first bar here. Okay, we finished our first bar, so we could get a rally. You know, hopefully we get a rally here or something like that. So stay tuned, and if we do happen to hang in here today, you know, I think next week, you know, you're looking at it, okay? You're looking at it. Because we had silver break $3, okay? Now it's up $1 today, Oct10 right now. Actually, it rallied $1.50. That's right. We rallied halfway back in the metals, both of them. Actually, they were both around the high of the day today. Friday, Oct10. All right. You need something, email me, ARP@NASDOG. Thanks. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.